What's happening, crypto fam? Trump just threatened 50% EU tariffs, sending Bitcoin tumbling from its 111K all-time high. But here's what's wild. While most of the market bleeds, one token is absolutely exploding right now. Plus, a whale's billion-dollar leveraged Bitcoin position is dangerously close to liquidation. The next 48 hours could change everything. Let's dive in. What's up, everyone? Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse Flash Update. If you're new here, we deliver these 6-minute market breakdowns every 12 hours to keep you ahead of the crowd. Let's get straight into today's massive developments. Bitcoin has pulled back from its all-time high of $111,000, currently trading at $108,924, down about 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's following a similar pattern at $2,558, down 0.86%. But here's where it gets interesting. While most major assets are in the red, certain sectors are absolutely exploding. Just look at these sector performances. Data tokens, up nearly 17% in just 24 hours. Social fee tokens, surging almost 23%. And derivatives platforms seeing unprecedented growth in market mindshare. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 65, firmly in greed territory despite today's pullback. So what exactly triggered this market reaction? Let's break it down. Former President Trump just announced intentions to implement 50% tariffs on European imports starting June 1st. This bombshell sent ripples through global markets, triggering what appears to be a temporary risk-off response. Now, this isn't the first time we've seen crypto react to geopolitical tensions, but what's different this time is how quickly buyers stepped in to buy the dip. Just 6 months ago, an announcement like this might have triggered a much deeper correction. This speaks to the growing institutional presence in crypto markets. There's simply more capital ready to deploy when prices retreat, creating stronger support levels. Now for the high-stakes drama everyone's watching, trader James Nguyen has a massive leveraged Bitcoin long position on Hyperliquid worth approximately $1.23 billion. This position, leveraged at 40 ATH, faces liquidation if Bitcoin drops to $105-$100. Following Trump's tariff news, Nguyen's profits have already shrunk from $45 million to just $14 million. This creates a critical threshold that all traders need to watch this weekend. If Bitcoin breaks below 105K, we could see a cascade of liquidations that might temporarily accelerate the downside. But here's the most fascinating development. While Bitcoin pulls back, Hyperliquid's HYPE token has defied market gravity, surging to a new all-time high of $37.50. This remarkable divergence is driven by two key factors. First, Hyperliquid submitted formal comment letters to the CFTC regarding perpetual derivatives, positioning itself as regulatory-compliant infrastructure. Second, the derivatives sector has captured an unprecedented 10.19% of market mindshare, a massive spike that signals a fundamental shift toward infrastructure tokens that generate sustainable revenue regardless of market direction. A major HYPE short seller was even liquidated for $23 million during this rally, further fueling the token's parabolic rise. Meanwhile, the SUI ecosystem is showing remarkable resilience following yesterday's $223 million hack of Cetus Protocol. The SUI Foundation has already frozen $162 million of the stolen funds and offered a $6 million bounty for the remaining assets. This rapid response has helped stabilize user confidence, though it also raises important questions about decentralization. The ability to freeze funds demonstrates strong security measures, but conflicts with the core principles of decentralized networks. As we head into the weekend, here are the key levels and events you need to watch. 1. Bitcoin's $105,100 support level. If breached, it could trigger Nguyen's billion-dollar liquidation. 2. Hyperliquid's continued growth as it cements its position as a compliant derivatives platform. 3. The derivatives sector's expanding market mindshare, signaling a potential rotation from L1s to infrastructure tokens. What's your strategy for the weekend? Are you buying this dip or waiting for potential liquidation cascades? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this update valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our twice-daily market insights. This is Alex from Moonward Capital signing off. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in 12 hours. Stay safe out there, and remember, in crypto, fortune favors the informed. See you next time.